Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use NordVPN on iPhone. So we're going to tap on the app, and right here on the dashboard you can see some information on the map, and at the top you can see that the VPN is not yet connected, which is as a matter of fact not yet connected. And then at the bottom here you have the globe icon. You also have the next icon, which is to connect your devices locally in a private network. And then the third icon is a statistic icon. Now here you can find the statistics of your IP address, your connection time, the time you're protected for a week if you've been using it up to a week, and the streak if you've been constantly using it. So this is basically information about your usage on NordVPN. And here in the last icon, you can see your profile. And here are some shortcuts, such as a threat protection, multi-factor authentication. You can refer a friend or contact NordVPN in case you're having any issues. There are other options here, such as Sally, NordPass, NordLocker, and NordLayer. All of these are additional services provided by NordVPN. Of course, you have the option to log out if you want to. And at the top, you have the settings gear icon where if you tap on it, it's going to take you to this page where you have your VPN connection protocol, auto connect, if you want to have these preferences set yourself, if you're interested. And here in appearance, you could change it to dark, and dark looks better. It feels a bit better to the eyes. And we could go back there. There you have some customization options there. And you have more general settings such as notifications. If you want to help NordVPN improve, you could also toggle that on. And also you could do some referrals if you want to. And then we'll go back to the main dashboard, which is the first icon. You can see unlock all NordVPN features. You need to get a subscription to use NordVPN. And once you tap on it, get a subscription, you're going to see some options here in your currency. So you can see the 1-year plan and you can see the 1-month plan, and you can decide which option you want. So once your subscription is done and settled, you can have the option to activate your NordVPN in order to use it. It's quite simple and quite straightforward. You could also select the country which you want to have as your mask. So once your subscription is done, using NordVPN is quite a breeze. So go ahead and get your subscription and keep using NordVPN for your internet services. So this is how to use NordVPN on iPhone.